Hi students. Previously we have studied about the allele, gene, homozygous, heterozygous, dominant character, recessive characters, all these things. And previous also I told that Mendel is father of genetics. And why he called as father of genetics? Because he started the experiment and tells the world about the gene, which is the character producing characters. For this all the studies, he choose first pea plant. Pea plant means its biological name is Pisum sativum, and pea plant like garden pea. Then he took, why he took any plant like mango or orange, any plant he can choose, but he still choose uh, Pisum sativum plant. Why he choose? Because of some special characteristic of this plant. First, the flower of these plants, like the pea plant, are bisexual. Bisexual means both male and female part present in the same flower. That is called as bisexual. If male flower and female flower are different, then it is called as unisexual. Then second one, they are self-pollinating. We all know about the self-pollination. So easily self and cross pollination can be performed in the plant. Then the plants have different physical contrasting characters, and it is easy to recognize. Like here we can see that uh, flower can be of white color or can be of purple color. Like we know that green peas are there and yellow peas are also there. That's why, so different physical contrasting characters are there in the plant, and they have a short lifespan, like limited characters, easy to maintain, and short lifespan. Within within 2 months or 1 month or 2 months, the new plant can be produced. Then I told here that they have different physical contrasting characters. So there are 7 types of contrasting characters present in the pea plant. So what are the characters? First one, height. In height, dominant character is tall and recessive character is dwarf. Then second one, seed shape. Seed shape means round or wrinkled. You can see that when we are buying from market the peas, some peas are seeds are like round shape and some are wrinkled shape. Then seed color, yellow or green, and yellow is dominant, green is recessive. Then flower color, maybe violet or maybe white. So violet is dominant, white is recessive. Then pod shape, some pods are like inflated and some are constricted. Same for green uh, pod color or yellow pod color. Then flower position, axial or terminal. Axial means in between the flower pedicels, or terminal means top of the stalk. Then he took all these characters. So for this, like I told, in allele there are written as for dominant we can write the characters are like capital T, and for recessive we are writing in small t. Flower position axial A, terminal small a. Pod color green G, yellow small g. Like this we are writing. Seed color yellow capital Y, green small y. Then first Mendel performed monohybrid test. Monohybrid means if single character is chosen for the test, then it is called as monohybrid cross or monohybrid test. So first he choose homozygously pure tall. Pure tall means capital T, capital T. Then its recessive is pure dwarf, small t, small t. So pure dwarf is phenotype typic character, and small t or capital T they are called as genotype. when they are divided in gametes, they will each they are present in uh, uh, diploid manner, so they will divide into single capital T and capital T, then small t and small t. So when they are crossed together, this and this are crossed together, then what happen? Capital T will multiply with, means cross with small t, will give into capital T small t, again capital T small t, capital T small t. So four types of in F1 generation. F1 generation means first filial generation, means from the parents when the first generation is produced, that is called as first filial generation. And they the four um, generation sorry four gametes produced, they are heterozygously tall and their genotype is capital T small t. And when this F1 generation is undergoing self-pollination, means capital T small t will cross with the capital T small t. This will give gametes capital T and small t. This will give gamete capital T and small t. So what will happen when capital T will crossed with capital T? It will give capital T capital T. When small t will cross with small t, it will give small t small t. So these two are pure character. Like this one gives pure tall and this one gives pure dwarf. And these two, when capital T and small t will cross together, these two are heterozygously tall. So at the end of the monohybrid cross, we will get phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic means how we see the plant. That is three pure, means three tall plant and one dwarf plant. So 3:1. But their genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Means one pure tall, one pure dwarf, two heterozygously tall. So this is all about the monohybrid cross. Okay, thank you. Next class we will study about the dihybrid cross.